What is up, traders? Hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to be going over this short position taken on NQ. Definitely not the easiest day to trade, but we did manage to catch a nice little short position for literally just right under 100 handles of profit. So let's get straight into it. All right, starting off on the 4-hour time frame. From the weekly analysis, you guys can see I posted it on YouTube. Even from previous weeks when we were much higher than this, I did not expect all-time highs. I said that we had a lot of sell-side liquidity resting that I want to see swept, and now we're here, right? So my bias was shorts on the weekly time frame. On the higher time frames, I want to see this sell-side swept, this, and all this to be swept before seeing all-time highs. So that's on my YouTube. You guys can see that. So higher time frame, I was bearish biased, but coming into the session, I saw this clean buy side liquidity right here with this buy side inefficiency and this 1-hour order block. So I believe that I want to see some sort of something like this and then a rejection lower to continue lower. So coming into this session, I was bullish biased actually, trying to see if we can sweep the buy side over here. So we had this 1-hour inefficiency right here. Market opened and then just completely inversed this inefficiency. So that right there just showed that, okay, we might not want to sweep this buy side right now. Price is just very, very bearish and it just doesn't want to sweep. So you have to switch your bias, even if it's clear, but you have to switch your bias to where if the market is showing you that it wants to do otherwise, you have to adopt. So I was bullish biased. This is very clean a buy side right here. I mean, look at all this. So it was honestly very obvious that it's going to sweep, but it didn't end up doing that. It inversed the 1-hour, closed bearishly. That's why if you were bearish biased, you would have been able to enter much earlier than where I entered. But since I was bullish biased, I didn't really want to enter shorts. But once we inversed this 1-hour inefficiency, that like I said right here, then it was clear that we're just going to push lower and then now seek all this, more lower sell side right here, right, marked out here and here. So if we zoom out a little bit more, you can see that right there. This low. It was clear that price wants to seek that now, right? So bias flipped, and now if we go here on the 5-minute time frame, obviously this position was taken for during the first AM macro. So 9:45 was right here. Again, price pushed lower, sweeping this sell side. There is more sell side lower. There is more sell side even lower here. There's a lot of sell side to be swept. So I'm kind of trying to see if price is heavy to the downside. Price pushes down. You have this 5-minute immediate rebalance. Price pushes down lower. At this point, I'm looking at price and it's just showing bearish signs that it wants to just continue lower. So at this point, you have a lot of sell side right here. So I look to enter my position. Drop down to the 1 minute time frame. You can see here how price on the 1 minute time frame, it was also showing obviously bearish structure. Push down this 1 minute order block marked out right here. You have this 1 minute inefficiency. Price came up to this inefficiency, dropped lower, came back up to this 1 minute order block. Once that happened, continued lower with 10 a.m. So I like to enter shorts to target this sell side right here. Very light because the stop loss was very huge. Price was very, very volatile. So I did 2 contracts. That's all I did. I tried to catch the midpoint of this wick. That was my entry. So since we already came back up and tapped into this 1 minute inefficiency, I didn't really want to catch the best entry and wait for it to come back up and fill the rest of it and then continue lower. No, I was looking to enter off of midpoint, which is what this is, constant encouragement. Want to enter off of midpoint of this wick. So I tried to time that, but unfortunately didn't time it correctly, and my fill ended up being, as you guys saw right here, which was around 21,206 and a quarter, I believe. You guys saw the executions at the beginning of the video. Got that fill there, put my stop loss above the wick, just above it right there, just in case price wants to come up and just barely tap into that and then continue lower. But I didn't expect that to happen since we're very bearish and price is showing that. I remember I scaled out one position around here and then left one full TP to around this level right here to account to just under 100 handles of profits. The reason I did take a partial here was because we were so overextended to the downside that, yes, there's a lot of sell side, but we're so extended to the downside that price could very much stop at any moment. So that's why I scaled out even before we swept. I scaled out one position, one contract, because I entered two, scaled out one around here, and the other full TP on this sell side right here, which this was very close to the low of the day, actually. I mean, price came here, did one last sweep during the 1150 macro, and then start to push higher from there, and then just basically consolidated after that. So that was today's position trade. It's not the easiest market to trade these couple days, past couple weeks, actually not the easiest to trade, but you try to catch what you can and what you're confident with. All right, hope you guys found this insightful. If you want more pre and post session analysis just like this, feel free to follow me on Discord, link is in the description. Also, if you are starting out with trading or you're finding issues or difficulty finding success in trading, feel free to book your free discovery call to see if you qualify for my mentorship. All right, link for that is also in the description. Hope you guys found this insightful. Until next time, stay safe and happy trading.